Kosmotime for Sales, effective time management for SDR productivity. James works as a SDR in the EMEA region for a fintech company. On a typical week, he spends about 10 hours on prospection, 16 to 18 hours on email cadences, calls, and follow-up, and the rest on schedule management, team meetings, and internal tasks. His preferred tools are LinkedIn, Salesforce, SalesLoft, Google Calendar, and Kosmotime. Each day, James plans to send 150 emails and select 10 qualified prospects. He has two needs. First, he wants to secure some focus time for prospection. At least 2 hours each morning, that's when he feels the most energized and productive. And number two, James wants to dedicate one full day for calls and strategy, ideally on Wednesday because that's his company's no meeting day. First, he uses the recurring focus block. James blocks time for focus sessions. Each of them is either dedicated to prospection or follow-up. And the second feature that James uses a lot is the mute mode. To encourage him to keep that focus, James often toggles on the distraction blocker that you can find in the left-hand side of the screen. When the mute mode is turned on, Slack notifications are muted and new tab gets automatically blocked. For a highly productive routine, James also uses the recurring task. At the end of each day, he reviews goals and tasks he plans to do the following day. This is a recurring task he never skips. He's noticed that spending only 30 minutes prepping for the next day has made him more performing and clear on what his goals should be. And finally, the last feature that he likes using is the possibility of adding a link in a task or a recurring task. To make things quick and easy, each time he wants to work on a task, he doesn't have to look for a document because he's got everything on hand in just one click.